Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video, I want to talk about why Bitcoin, right? Why Bitcoin is the best investment to gain wealth, right? So that's what we're going to be talking about today, okay? In this video, right? We're going to be talking about why Bitcoin is the best investment to gain wealth. Everyone in this world wants to have some type of wealth, wants to make some type of money, wants to have some type of financial freedom, right? And I've been telling you guys, if you guys want to become a millionaire, if you guys want to have some type of wealth, right? And most importantly, right, the most important one, which I'm pretty sure is what everyone wants in this world, and it's really rare to have, right? If you want to have financial freedom, right, invest in Bitcoin. I feel like Bitcoin is literally the safest bet right now to invest in to gain all these type of things that I just mentioned, right? Money, wealth, you know what I mean? And the most important one, like I said, financial freedom, right? I already told you guys this, right? Many times before. I feel like investing in Bitcoin is literally the safest bet to gain wealth and to have financial freedom. Why? I feel like for the people out there that have invested into Bitcoin, in its early years, I'm talking about, 2012, 2013, even early in that, in 2009 when it first came out, 2010, you know what I mean? Or even in 2017, 18, 19 even, right? I feel like a lot of you guys have built up a lot of wealth, right? And a lot of you guys right now, right, have financial freedom, right? For the early Bitcoin investors out there, you guys have, financial freedom, right now. Like you guys are literally living off Bitcoin, right? Because you bought in when it was cheap. You bought in when it was, at its early stages, right? When it was at, a couple dollars or a couple $100 or even a couple, $1,000, right? I'm talking about, $5,000 to $10,000, you know what I mean? So if you guys are early Bitcoin investors, you have to admit, you obviously made a lot of money, okay, obviously, and wealth, and of course, financial freedom, the most important thing, right? So I just want to say congratulations for the people out there that did, in fact, invest into Bitcoin at its early stages. And obviously, for me personally, I regret not being a, Bitcoin and crypto investor at its early stages. I started investing in crypto and Bitcoin and all that back in early of, last year, 2021 in May. Okay, May. I literally know the exact same day that I started to invest into cryptocurrency, right? It was the 9th of May 2021, right? And the first cryptocurrency that I bought was Dogecoin. Okay, I didn't buy, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Those were my other, next crypto investments. It was Dogecoin, and then I started to invest into Ethereum, and then it was Bitcoin, right? The OG cryptocurrency, you know what I mean? So guys, I feel like, Bitcoin is literally the best investment right now to make if you want to build wealth and have financial freedom. Like I'm being dead ass right now, and I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my own personal opinion. But I feel like, for the people out there that have invested into Bitcoin, right? Like it's never disappointed anyone. Bitcoin, right? Like if you really think about it, if you invested into Bitcoin at its early stages, it has literally never disappointed anyone. Like literally, you know what I mean? Bitcoin was published in 2009 by this person named Satoshi Nakamoto, right? And ever since then, the people that have been investing into Bitcoin, this asset, right, Bitcoin has not disappointed anyone, right? Has not disappointed any of their investments at all. And this is why I've been telling you guys to start investing into Bitcoin now. And people think it is right now. Like people literally think, like genuinely think right now, it is too late to invest into Bitcoin because I see the Bitcoin price over, 40, 50, 60, 70, $80,000, $90,000 even, you know what I mean? And they think to themselves, it's too late to invest. You know what I mean? Like, it's not. Eventually, guys, Bitcoin's going to get to $100,000. We all know that. That's not crazy. It's going to get to $300,000. That's not crazy. It's going to get to $500,000. That's not crazy, right? And then After $500,000, it's just going to keep going on, and then it's going to get to $1 million. I really do believe Bitcoin is going to reach $1 million by the year 2030. That's just my own personal opinion. And it's probably going to be more than that, over $1 million, or maybe 1.2, $1.3 million, you know what I mean? Even 1.5, right? Close to $2 million. So you guys have to think about it. Like, if it's like Bitcoin reaching $1 million, honestly, I'm going to say it here. That's not crazy. It's normal, right? What's crazy if Bitcoin reaches $10 million per Bitcoin. You know, that's crazy. Like, that's when you know you are a millionaire if you own just one Bitcoin. If you own, like, imagine you own 10 Bitcoins. Yeah. you will have financial freedom for sure. So that's why I've been telling you guys to own at least one Bitcoin, because that one Bitcoin is going to change your life forever. Okay, it really will, right? That's why I've been telling you guys to invest into Bitcoin. Try to accumulate at least one whole Bitcoin, and you will, you know, have wealth, and you will have, you know, some type of money, obviously, you know what I mean? And of course, you will have some type of financial freedom, you know what I mean? Like, owning one Bitcoin right now, guys, is going to change your life for your future self in the next decade, you know what I mean? The next 10 years or the next, 15, 20 years, right? It's literally going to change your life. So that's why I've been telling you guys for the past few weeks now, right? And I've been literally telling you guys and begging you guys to start investing into Bitcoin, right? This is literally the best investment right now to make to gain wealth. Okay, like, if you want to, get rich quick is what most people say it, right? In some type of way, you know what I mean? Invest in Bitcoin, right? It's going to take a couple years, right? But it's the quickest way and the safest route to get to that, you know what I mean? Because you don't have to stress. Even though, yes, Bitcoin, like, the Bitcoin price is volatile, it goes up and down and there's crashes. I get that, right? But that's for short term. For long term, it's always going to go back up. And today, that's exactly what happened. Yesterday, guys, it was down. Today, it's going back up, right? So it's normal. You know what I mean? Bitcoin is just doing its thing. It's how the market works. You know what I mean? It's not even just for crypto. Look at the stock market. You know what I mean? It's volatile as well. It goes up and down as well. It's just how the market works. So, guys, Bitcoin is the future. It's not going anywhere. Bitcoin is not dead. Okay? Even though, yes, there'll be some days where it's not doing anything. It's boring. People are fearful, right? And that is the time to start accumulating. That is the time to start buying and investing your money heavy, okay, yes, heavy, into Bitcoin and other altcoins, right, that you believe in, right, that will do great in the future. You know what I mean? You just have to really, do your own research, right? So, guys, I'm telling you guys this right now, okay? And, it's completely up to you guys. I'm not forcing you guys, even though, yes, I am begging you guys, please just invest some type of money into Bitcoin, even if it's $100, $50, you know what I mean, or $1,000, just please put that money into Bitcoin and just leave it in there and just forget about it, you know what I mean? But I just want to tell you guys, this is literally going to be the best investment of your life to gain wealth and to have, some type of financial freedom, right? So, I don't want to, it seem like I'm begging you guys. It's completely up to you, okay? Like, when I make these videos, I'm not forcing you guys, you know what I mean? I'm just trying to help you guys, because everyone in this world wants to build wealth, wants to make money, wants to become a millionaire and have financial freedom, right? You can't tell me, if you're watching this video right now, you can't tell me you don't want to have these things, you know what I mean? Like, obviously, a lot of people want to have these things, wealth and financial freedom, right? So I'm telling you guys right now, Bitcoin is the best investment to gain that, to gain wealth, to gain financial freedom, right? I'm genuinely being dead ass right now. You know what I mean? So, like I said, it's completely up to you. I'm not forcing you guys, you know what I mean? I'm just making these videos to help you guys, you know what I mean? And if you don't believe me, you know what I mean? We're going to come back to this video, 10, 15 years from now, and I'm going to be like, I told you so, okay? I told you so. I am still, holding on to my predictions for Bitcoin, you know what I mean? I still believe Bitcoin this year in 2022, it's going to reach $100,000 here in Australia. Even for, the people in America, right? I believe it's going to hit $100,000 as well sometime, maybe end of this year, right? Because we are still early in this year. Even though, yes, this year, Bitcoin and crypto haven't really been doing much. It's really just been going down, and there's a lot of crashes, and it's just been consolidating. It's really boring, you know what I mean, so far. But there's still, a lot of time to, for Bitcoin to reach that milestone of $100,000, you know what I mean? It's only April, you know what I mean? So we're still, early stages into this year, you know what I mean? Like, we're not even halfway through the year, so we're still early, you know what I mean? It's only April, right? So this year is just beginning, right? So I still see potential for Bitcoin to reach $100,000 by this year. Okay, so guys, invest into Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, okay, is the best investment to make to gain wealth and to have financial freedom. Okay, it really is. Like, it's literally your safest bet to have wealth. Okay, if you invest into Bitcoin. So guys, invest into Bitcoin today, please. Okay, please, I'm begging again. I know, guys. Okay, if you want to have some type of wealth and financial freedom and have some type of money that's going to change your life forever, okay, simply invest your money into Bitcoin and keep consistently accumulating Bitcoin. Keep consistently investing into Bitcoin for the next 8 years, 10 years, you know what I mean? Keep consistently doing it. There's something called dollar cost averaging. It's what most investors use. It's what I personally use most of the time as well, you know what I mean? And you're just going to be consistent with it. Every like 2 weeks or so, invest $1,000, $1,500 or $2,000 into Bitcoin. And if you keep consistently doing that, for the next 10 years, it's guaranteed you will build wealth and you will become a millionaire. So guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already. I really will appreciate that. And I'll see you guys in my next video, and have a blessed day as always. Peace.